next section. We're going to call this, I'm in my HTML. So yeah, under all of this right here, we can go ahead and tab that down just so you don't mess with that stuff. This next section will be exclusive stays, like highlighting cool spots. So first, we're gonna wrap this whole section in a big div tag using our container, targeting our container that we've already had. And yeah, a lot of sections are gonna be inside this container. So keep this closing div at the very bottom. Okay, now let's go h2, and we want to give it a class sub title. Good. Boom. And it's going to be called exclusive stays or exclusive deals. How about that? Exclusive deals. Save. And let's go class. Whoops, not class. Exclusives. Good. All right. And now inside of this, we're going to create 10 sections. So it's going to be a div. We're going to put an image that's in the images folder. Remember that? And we're doing image 1. Good. Can take this off. Image 1. Now a span. Oops. Span. And inside the span, I want a H3. This first one will go London. And paragraph tag will go starts at 250. Good. All right. So inside exclusives, boom, we got that one picture right there. Okay? Now, I want you to copy and paste this right here under exclusives, this div and this div. Copy. We're going to go 10 times. Paste. We can actually, so that we're keeping count, switch the image each time. Image 2. Paste. 3. Paste. 4. Remember, paste is Command V. 5. There you go. 6. 7. You see, you notice I'm putting a space in between just so that you know it's separated. 8. 9. There we go. And one more. 10. Good. And you can save that. And you'll notice all 10 of your pictures are right there. Okay. Now we want to style, well, let's see. Now we want to change the names actually first. So London's the first one. Now Let's change these names. Switzerland, Australia, France, and Amsterdam. Oops, put an E right there. And we could go Netherlands, and New York, Chicago, San Francisco, and then Shanghai. Okay, save that. We got London, Switzerland. Yeah, all of them. Okay, good. And now we can save that. Make sure it's saved. And now we can go style that then. Style them to make them look good. Okay, this can be quick. So to style them, we can separate it here, copy, paste. Let's just do exclusive. Exclusive, yeah. All right, so now first, we're going to focus on the subtitle, copy, paste, curly braces, and we're gonna go margin, 50 px, 0, 20 px, focusing on this right here, okay. Next, let's grab exclusives now, copy, put the period there, curly brace. Okay, so now this is going to be a style called grid. Display, grid, and what grid is going to do, it's going to make these all like side by side. So we're going to do display grid, and then now we're creating the grid columns, grid template columns, and let's go repeat, auto fit, put a comma, space, min, max. 200 px, and then 1 frame. And save that. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. And now though, we're gonna give it a grid gap, 30 px. Grid gap. Good, good, good. Okay. So now, what we need to do is style the images. So we'll grab this, copy, paste, the div, and then the img. Let's make width 100%. Nice, nice, nice. And now let's round the edges. Border radius 10 px. Boom. Edges are rounded nicely. 10, okay. Now, let's grab this right here. Just focusing on the divs. And I want to make the position relative. Good. And last one right here. Copy. Paste the div. Now focusing on the span. Awesome. I want this position to be absolute so that the words now are going to end up being on top. Top 50%. Left 50%. There we go, we're positioning it. Transform. Oops. Translate. Negative 50%. Negative 50%. There you go. Put that in the middle now. But now we've got to be able to see them. So let's do first text align, center, words are centered, and color, let's make it white. Save. All right, it looks much better. Let's adjust this exclusive deals size. Let's go font size 2.2 VW. Good. And then let's go font weight, make it 500. And then let's give it a cleaner color of 1, 2, 3. Save. 333. Nice. All right. All right. So there you go. Nicely designed. If you add 2 more, it'll fill out. But also if you look smaller screen, they match up right here. Very good.